Why SHIB Metaverse will take Shiba Inu Coin to $1 in year 2022. Shocking SHIB news. When Shiba Inu went public with its efforts to delve into the metaverse, some quarters in the crypto community took it as a joke. How can a meme token with no utility say the metaverse was part of its objectives? Well, the doubts may not be put to rest, as the latest update from SHIB revealed that there was no stopping it. Today we're going to talk all about SHIB Metaverse and why SHIB is going to make it to $1. Welcome to Shiba Inu Coin, your daily dose of Shiba. If you're interested in everything around Shiba, this is the place for you. Subscribe if you want to stay updated with all the SHIB news, predictions, and stay one step ahead in the crypto world. Make sure to hit the like button for us to provide you with more SHIB news. Don't forget to enable all notifications to join our weekly cash giveaway pinned in the comments. Before we get to our topic, let's take a look at the chart and see what the price of Shiba is doing on the 14th of September, shall we? Shiba Inu price shows a strong adherence to the immediate support level despite the recent crash. Investors need to be careful, however, as in its current position, SHIB could go either way. Shiba Inu price looks too boring to trade on a lower time frame, as it seems to hover mindlessly above the 118 10 millionths of a dollar support level. This has been the case for a little over a month now, in which it has created a string of marginally inclining higher lows. A support trend line can be drawn using these swing lows and coincides closely with the 118 10 millionths of a dollar support level, creating a confluence. As SHIB edges closer to retesting this barrier, it could also provide an opportunity to short, especially if it breaks below. In such a case, investors can expect Shiba Inu price to trigger a 27% decline to 93 10 millionths of a dollar, which is the start of an area of imbalance, aka fair value gap, that extends down to 83 10 millionths of a dollar. While the short term is bearish, no doubt, with meme coins such as SHIB, investors need to play the long game. Thus, after Shiba Inu price revisits the FVG, extending from 83 to 93 10 millionths of a dollar, traders' thoughts may turn to the equal highs formed at 179 10 millionths of a dollar. From a market maker's perspective, the buy stop liquidity resting above the equal highs at 179 10 millionths of a dollar presents a tantalizing next objective. As such, the FVG could provide the perfect buy zone for traders looking to enter the market and speculate on the next bullish move. If SHIB retests 179 10 millionths of a dollar, it will constitute a 95% gain and is likely where the upside could be capped for the dog-themed crypto. A daily candlestick close below 87 10 millionths of a dollar without a quick recovery will threaten this long-term play. However, a breakdown of the 83 10 millionths of a dollar would invalidate the bullish thesis and potentially trigger a crash to 74 10 millionths of a dollar. Now let's get back to the topic. In the early hours of the 3rd of September, SHIB announced that it had taken a bold step towards the mission. From its official blog, SHIB made it known that its "We're All Gonna Make It" WAGMI temple project was gaining momentum. The release was followed by a proposed concept of the temple. Are we all gonna make it? Dissecting the details of the project, SHIB's communique revealed that it looked at several architectural designs from 6 different cities. The early sketches showed that SHIB had marked Beijing, New Delhi, Japan, Hawaii, South Africa, and Myanmar as the places to take inspiration from. In light of the proposal, SHIB noted that approval lies in the hands of its community. At press time, the responses of most of the SHIB army seems to be in agreement. However, the update has not translated into a rally per the SHIB price. A look at CoinMarketCap showed that SHIB had declined 0.17% over the last 24 hours, despite volume rise to $305.37 million. It was a similar pattern with its burn rate, which was 47.19% down, with a total of 69,087,091 SHIB tokens burned within the same period. So the question would be if all of these happening is in line with the WAGMI tag. For now, the path may not be clear. One plus to look at was SHIB maintaining its top position among the holdings of Ethereum ETH whales. It may also be too early to call the shots of the project's impact, as it's still in the early stages. Additionally, the metrics in the SHIB ecosystem have been a bit contradicting, according to Santiment. While the 24-hour active addresses declined to 4,939, the circulation in the past one day also dipped to 1.9 trillion. With these changes, it may seem that SHIB is not prepared for green in the coming days. Investors may also need to watch the Bitcoin movement, as it can influence the momentum. Shiba Inu introduces fireside chats to encourage community participation. Meanwhile, Shiba Inu also disclosed that its Metaverse team would introduce fireside chats throughout its Metaverse creative process. The motive is to address all questions, ideas, and concerns from members of the SHIB army. The fireside chats will be hosted on Shiba Inu's official Discord channel, with more plans made to roll out the initiative on other platforms. We aim to also host some fireside chats on other platforms as well in the future, the announcement reads. The first segment of the WAGMI Temple Fireside Chat is slated to be hosted on September 8, 2022 at 8 p.m. EST. It is noteworthy that WAGMI Temple is another effort made by Shiba Inu to prove that it is no longer a meme coin, but a utility crypto project. Shiba Inu's BONE surges 130% in 2 days with these events. Shibaswap's main token, BONE, demonstrated a 110% price increase in 2 days. Such a rampant spike was most likely caused by the wave of news and speculation about BONE listing on big centralized crypto exchanges. First, Gate held a vote for BONE listing, and then Bluebit officially announced the start of token trading. Thanks to the token's low liquidity and the announcement of the listing, the crypto community got very excited and started actively buying BONE. This resulted in the coin breaking away from its historic highs by 100%, and it remains unknown where its price discovery will end. Now there's good reason to believe why SHIB's price might hike on the charts. For instance, according to many, if users burn enough tokens, a cryptocurrency's acceptance is bound to increase. That being said, the meme coin must cultivate a host of different use cases too. And not everyone agrees with whatever utility meme coins like Doge and SHIB might have either. Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse, for instance, believes that this asset class isn't good for the market at large. In fact, it has often been speculated that these assets are part of a bubble. Back in April, Finder surveyed a panel of 26 experts who predicted a rather gloomy picture for the future of Shiba Inu Coin. They predicted that the average price of SHIB in 2030 will be as low as 325 billionths of a dollar. Speaking for a majority of the panelists, Dimitrios Salampsis claimed, "I am of the opinion that all these joke-type coins will disappear and leave space for actual innovation and crypto assets that can serve proper use cases." That's all for today. Also, we would like to mention that this is not a channel intended specifically to provide financial advice, and we do not ask you to invest in any company. This is merely a channel directed towards bringing educational content to your doorsteps. With that in mind, before you invest in anything, we recommend you do thorough, wide-spectrum research on the topic. We hope you liked this video. Let us know in the comments below if you're a Shiba holder, and make sure to subscribe and give us a thumbs up. See you next time at Shiba Inu Coin. Bye!